I'm back.
Day 5. Are you getting sick of wine yet?
Me?
Yeah, you.
No.
Okay.
I don't think I could get sick of wine.
No?
No.
Well, I think we've
I'm
had
not
some...
wined out yet. We're only on day 5.
Yeah.
So.
So we will get into our 5th day here. What do you think it is? Gonna be red or white?
I'm gonna go white because I really hope it's not red, white, red, white, red, white, and the last one was white, so I hope it's a white.
Okay.
You think it's gonna be a red?
I think it's gonna be red, and I think it'll be a cork.
I think it's cork.
Yeah. I'm with you.
Just stop asking me.
I'm
that.
starting to lean towards that. It's gonna be cork all the way through. So, okay, cool. We'll open it up.
All right, day 5. Where is it? Oh, you found it before me. Oh, it's a red. Red blend. Okay.
Where's it from?
Australia, red blend. Concentric circles. Interesting.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
All right. So we have a red blend
Not very happy.
from why? It's probably going to be delicious. Red blend from Australia. I think she's unhappy with the red, white, red.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of like. Hopefully they like.
It's predictable.
Yeah, it's too predictable.
Like now I know next time it's gonna be a white.
Sure. Okay. Well, we're gonna taste.
I mean, I guess the idea is like you don't know what type of wine you're getting. Each wine is completely different from a different country, from a different place.
Region, yeah.
Different types of wine too, like blends and Merlot and whatever. So
Do you want me to cut it or do you want to?
you can do it,
Huh?
or I can do it. Or
I
not.
don't mind.
You did it last time.
I've done it the last 2 times.
I'll do the honors today.
Okay, so Australian red blend.
Yes.
Do you think it's going to be dry? You think it's going to be?
I honestly think it's gonna be like really fruit forward. Oh my god.
Have you opened a bottle of wine before? Holy shit!
Oh my gosh, it's like
Healing?
yeah, it's like paper.
Yeah. This foil is not really foil. This is like.
It's a little bit, yeah.
Questionable. Don't want to be drinking paper foil.
No?
No.
Why not? Maybe you open these next time.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright. I think it's good. Don't look at the back.
I'm not.
I think it's gonna be fruit forward.
Yes.
And like kind of spicy.
Spicy.
Like baking spices, but a lot of like fruit. Like probably oaky, like dark purple fruit, but like spicy. There you go, sir. Is it moldy?
No.
Okay.
Not like day 3.
Alright. Cool. Yeah.
Purpley.
Purpley.
Certainly.
Okay.
Okay, well, here we go.
Not as purpley as I thought.
Actually, it looks very light.
Yeah, it looks light. It looks like a
Pinot
Pinot
Noir.
Noir. Yeah,
That's what I was
Pinot
going to say,
Noir
based on the cork too.
Interesting.
It looks very light.
Yeah,
This is definitely like Pinot Noir territory, it looks like.
definitely. Lighter. I would say red fruit. I was way off. Interesting. What are you getting?
Oaky.
Oaky? A little spicy?
Yeah, definitely spicy. Doesn't smell bad.
Very alcohol-y.
I was gonna say,
Yeah.
I'm smelling a lot of alcohol, so without looking at the back, don't, until you taste it. We'll look at the back after we taste it.
What's the year?
We can't look yet.
Probably.
They have too much information on the back of the bottle. So, smells very boozy.
Yeah,
It's
lots
probably
of alcohol.
very young. 24 is my guess on that as a blend. Very light though, probably very fruity. I don't know. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's really smooth, actually. This is super smooth, and it doesn't taste as boozy as it smells.
No, it's really good.
Yeah, it's very smooth. This might be.
I wouldn't say it tastes like a Pinot Noir.
No.
It tastes like a really light Cabernet.
Yes. Very.
I could beg to say there's like Syrah in here. Because sometimes Syrah comes up in Pinot Noir, right? Like some cab. So it's a blend. We know that by the
It's a red blend, yes.
label. So maybe Syrah?
All right. Australian red blend, concentric circles.
I'm trying to see the back.
We have 60% Syrah,
Ooh! I was right.
40%.
I really didn't see the back.
60% Syrah, 40% Cab.
Yeah. Okay, what else?
It's an Australian red blend,
Oh, that's it.
2024.
60 plus 40 is 100.
Yes.
So there's
Math.
no other.
Math. Yes.
So there's no other varietal
This
in
is-
there. Okay. What else?
It's a red blend, but it only has 2 grapes in there, Syrah and Cabernet.
So usually I feel like a lot of Italian. I'm drunk already. I don't know what's going on. I'm drunk from smelling the wine.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of Australian wines have a lot of Syrah.
Sure.
So Penfolds, like they make a lot of Australian cabs, and they all have Syrah blended. in
Syrah
them.
heavy?
Yeah.
Syrah heavy red blend.
That's the only reason I guessed that. Plus, it's
It's
like
juicier than.
it's a little bit lighter. And I think that tannic like acidity comes from Syrah.
Sure.
Yeah.
So it says this red blend presents a highly expressive nose with complex black and red fruit, so pretty accurate. Enhanced by subtle notes of eucalyptus and spice.
Okay.
On the palate, it has a warm, robust style, showcasing mature and vibrant flavors. Well integrated tannins allow the fruit to shine. The finish is persistent with a touch of licorice.
I would agree with that.
Yeah, it's smooth. It's so smooth though.
Yeah.
This is a 2024.
Oh, you were right.
Yeah. Well, I figured all of this is going to be probably pretty close to 2024.
Was the first red wine?
I forget, we had a 21, 23, I think,
Yeah.
the other day.
Cool.
Very good. I like it. I like wine, so I like it.
We like all of the wines in the box.
So, what do you think?
I like it. It's good. It's light. You
Fair
can
enough.
have it with or without food, I feel like.
Yeah, this. I don't think this needs food to
Yeah.
be drank.
No, it's easy drink. Easy drink.
Certainly. So,
yeah.
and it's still pretty light for a red blend, which it's good. I like it. Rating.
We never went back to our scale, our rating scale of like, is it weeknight wine, giftable?
I would give this as a gift.
I would give this as a gift too. I was just thinking that.
Yeah, this is a wine that I would probably give to somebody. So I'm going. What's your score?
Say it on.
Should we write it down and then we could show the camera and then then we can show each other? So there's no like I say it faster than you, you say it faster than
We
me.
can. Do you want me to get?
Maybe we'll start that tomorrow for day 6. We'll start writing our scores down and we'll show them to you first, and then we'll show each other second, because like blurting it out is not.
I guess, yeah.
So
Okay.
we'll finish it for today and we'll be more prepared for tomorrow. So 1, 2, 3, 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah. Oh, look
Nice.
at you.
Cool.
All right, 7.5. This is a good wine. I would definitely gift this as a what?
7.5 is not a great rating.
It's a good rating. But
I would gift this. It's only a 7.5.
Yeah, but that's good. Like, I don't think I would.
What do we rate the Sauvignon Blanc? 8?
8. Yeah, I would gift that too.
Yeah.
Honestly, if you're over a 7, you're probably doing pretty good.
Okay.
If you're under a 7, like
Yeah.
that's where like 7 is very. I'm giving you a lot of like credit.
Okay.
If there's a 9 in this box that blows my mind, like that'd be surprising to me. I think my favorite wines will probably be between 7.5 and 8, maybe 8.25. I don't think there's probably. I'm gonna make this prediction. There's not 1 9 in this box, and I'd be pleasantly surprised if there
Really?
was. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Do you think there's gonna be some really bad ones?
probably.
Yeah. We got a
Maybe-
lot of days
maybe
to get through.
Maybe not necessarily like a bad wine, but maybe something that I don't prefer. So like it's not my. I might have a hard time getting into that varietal or that style or that region or whatever. You know, this is worldwide, so there's a lot of different parts of the world that you could potentially drink a wine from, and
Didn't
like
they say South Africa was on there?
I don't know, maybe you want to look up the back of the bottle to see what else it says, what additional information it has on our wine.
Of course.
No, I'm actually really impressed with this one. It's so light.
It's light, yeah. It's nice and fruity.
Yeah.
Australian blend opens with a highly expressive nose. I think this is what you already read. So that's probably the description on the back of the bottle. History of Australian red blends is a fascinating tale of innovation and adaptability. In the early 19th century, European settlers introduced grapevines to Australia, planting various French, Spanish, and Italian varietals. Alright, that's interesting. In particular, Shiraz became the cornerstone of these blends in Australia, often combined with Cabernet Sauvignon to create a rich, full-bodied wine with distinctive flavors. The warm climate and diverse soil types allowed for the cultivation of high-quality grapes, and winemakers experimented with different varietal combinations to achieve the perfect balance of fruit, acidity, and tannins. Okay, roasted lamb, hearty stew, cheeses, dark chocolate, mushroom dishes.
Huh.
Mushroom risotto or
Yeah, but like
mushroom crusted lamb.
hearty dishes to me, like
Yeah.
I don't feel like you need. I don't
So it
think.
says beef stew, lamb stew, root vegetables.
Right, but you're
highlight the
also
wine's depth and complexity.
sure. I just don't feel like you need this wine to cut through any food that you're eating.
No.
Like this is it's drinkable on its own.
Yeah, I think this would go really nice with dark chocolate.
Sure. Yeah, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Want to go get some dark chocolate?
No.
Cool. No, this is a good one.
With or without food, I feel like.
Yeah. I'm just surprised that it says heavy or hearty meats. So our score is 7.5.
Definitely.
Both of us?
Yeah.
This is a giftable wine.
I would say almost 7.5, 8.
I was gonna say it's probably close.
Probably teetering, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me try it again.
Okay. Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome. Sticking with my 7.5. Yeah.
Agreed. We'll see you back here tomorrow for day number 6. Day number 6 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Predictions. White.
This is getting very
Boring.
not boring, but
No, but predictable.
it's gonna be a white.
Predictable.
It's gonna be a white, but I think it's gonna be a champagne
Tomorrow, champagne.
or like a sparkling.
Ooh, effervescent.
Yeah,
So
something
it's gonna
like
have bubbles or
sparkling.
effervescence tomorrow. No, tomorrow effervescent white. Some
Agreed,
type
yeah.
of bubbles.
Yeah, maybe
Well, that's
some
you,
bubbly
that's-
white. That's my prediction.
That's her prediction.
Yeah. What do you think?
I'm going to say
It's probably gonna be a rosé. The one day I don't say rosé.
rosé every
I'm
day.
like, it's gonna be a rosé. It's gonna be
No.
a rosé.
It will be Pinot Grigio. Pinot Grigio tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, we gotta see.
See you tomorrow, day 6.